quick review of espresso machine that is called Gaggia Orione. This Gaggia Orione is from 1930 through 1950s, and this machine is built like a tank. It's all metal. It's brass, copper, stainless steel. There's some modifications in this machine. They used to come with two huge pieces of copper on the side and a copper top with a tower, but we got rid of that and we just customized and we put some plexiglass on the sides. So yeah, let me show you a quick shot here in this machine how it works. So there's a spring on it, and then when you pull down the handle you can see water coming out. So it works. This machine seals were replaced. The old ones is a rubber mixed with some kind of fiber, but this one will replace with 4 new V-groove rubber rings. Okay, so we're putting 18 grams in this portafilter. It's a double basket, and this is also a Gaggia portafilter. Sorry, I don't have a tamper, but just fix the machine and I don't have the equipment, but I just want to show you quickly. Put it facing in front. Okay. Cut. So the way it goes, it locks. It does have a locking mechanism, and it stays there, and once you push down again and will detach or unlatch, and then it will extract. Lock, pre-infusion, if you want that shot now or 5-10 seconds, whatever you want, and then you push down, unlatch, and now you have this espresso shot on it. It can be a little more finer, the ground, but you can play with it. Yeah, that's espresso shot. Still have good crema, and that's the leftovers. There's some pressure build up, so you don't want to take this right away because it will obviously explode. So you just leave it there for a couple of seconds. We're gonna move to frothing the milk. Nice latte art heart there. Cool, so that's how it works, and pretty simple. It pulls really good espressos because it's manual and the pressure profile is completely different from a regular pump. But yeah, espresso are pretty nice and smooth. But it's a pretty cool machine, it's really pretty. Now is the demonstration of the percolator or drip coffee side of the machine, if you want to call it. But it's a pretty cool. It gets hot water from the boiler and it goes through the screen, and then the coffee is here. It actually looks like a big basket from espresso machines. Really, really big. And then the coffee goes here. Then there is a funnel, and it just drips and goes through hot water to the coffee. You can see the coffee, and then this one will open the steam. So what you see here is a heating element, but it's not electric. It uses steam, so actually will keep heating up the coffee inside when you open this valve, and you will see the bubbles coming out. And this one is the dispenser, so you will get black coffee here. So let's go and show you with the demonstration. And here, put all the coffee here, as you can see. We will put the funnel first, put the basket, then we close, tighten this one, and then I'll show you here. Open this one. Oops, my bad. So you're actually controlling the speed of the water. You can open more flow, more water. You can make it slower. But right now it's just filtering. It's going through the coffee process. If we wanna just serve coffee, we have coffee right there. This is the handle to dispense coffee. And then that's it. Coffee is brewed. You see the steam heating element. Steam will discharge and go out. But you see it's now heating the coffee. Yep. Here we finish with the coffee. Then take it out. Take this out. Left at the screen. Here you have the coffee. Really hot. Coffee grounds, and that's the funnel, and that's it. That's everything. So you can make espresso, and you can also make Americanos with the hot water, and then you can make drip coffee.